Good evening, junkies. Welcome to EminiJunkie.com, your ES Trading Mentor's free trading video for Monday, August 16th, 2010. Today we had a total of 5 executable trade signals for a max potential of 5 ES ticks. This video is for educational purpose only, is intended to highlight our high probability trade setups, give you a feel for the quantity of trades taken each trading day using this approach. A full trading plan and a live trading room can be accessed from our website at EminiJunkie.com. Okay, coming into the morning, we actually had a nice push down, and they came off of that. Gave a cross to the upside, gave us a pre-market half gap entry, only to get our first contract off, and the market actually rolled over prior to the open, so we ended up with a 2-tick loss on that pre-market half gap trade. We ended up open down around 70.50, and the market pushed lower, made a real quick push down to that 66.25 level, and did a V bottom up, came across our moving average within about 4 or 5 minutes of the open there, and gave us a signal to get long. Now this move was so fast off this bottom, we did not get a chance to get in. We actually had an order available at 70.25. We only came down to 70.50, touched the open a couple of times, and then ultimately just traded higher. Ended up no fill on that particular trade. Not an opportunity to get into it on an extension or a normal type entry. So that trade just kind of came in with the, as we like to say, the train left without us. We did not chase it, so nothing there. Came back down through our moving average, actually gave a signal to get short, only to take a full stop out, T0 minus 14, so kind of a rough start for us. After that stop out, we got a signal to get long right after the news announcement. That did produce targets 1 and targets 2 to the upside on an extension entry for 6 ticks, and the market pushed higher almost all the way up to the daily pivot right before lunchtime, just 1 tick past it. Came down off of that pivot. There was little sell. A couple reactions here. There was the grail trades, the 20 and the 40 setups on those profit-taking opportunities. Ultimately crossed to the downside. We got a nice little signal back and forth. Now this was one of those trades that it was filled on the touch. Not the first time, not the second time, but the third time. There was a fill there. Ended up getting targets 1 and targets 2. 8 ticks to the downside going into the lunchtime dead zone. Before we stop trading. Now at 11:30, the red area you see on the chart here, that is the dead zone, and we do not trade because volume usually gets a little lighter, volatility gets a little heavier, so we just stand back and wait till after lunch. You can see after lunch we did get a nice move down back to our previous day's 4 o'clock close, came off of that level, gave a nice signal entry short, ended up getting targets 1 and targets 2 easily to the downside for 7 ticks, and that was the last trade of the day, as the market continued to push lower into the 3 o'clock hour. So all in all, kind of a rough little day. 5 trades. Ended up slightly to the positive side, 5 ES ticks. Couple of extension entries, couple of no fills, pre-market, a 2-tick loss. So not the greatest day of all days to trade. But that's how trading goes. So anyway, I want to thank you for watching. For more details on this plan, including all the chart setups, or to join our live trading room video newsletter, please visit EminiJunkie.com or simply click the link at the top of the screen. Thanks, and make it a great day.